Welcome to Hidden Honda Hacks, a video series that showcases the unknown features in nearly every new Honda vehicle. Every time you drive, you have to take into account all of the variables on the road. Safe driving means watching out for other cars, pedestrians, and anything else that could cause you a distraction. Hidden Honda Hack. With Honda's forward collision warning system, your vehicle alerts you when a frontal collision is possible, and even applies the brakes if an impact is imminent. To adjust the forward collision warning sensor, first put your car in park. Click Settings. Select Vehicle. Click Driver Assist System Setup. Click Forward Collision Warning Distance. Choose between long, normal, and short to adjust the sensor and the time before your warning. Then click Save. See the owner's manual for complete system details. The forward collision warning system is available on all new Honda Pilots. Stop by Superior Honda today for a test drive.